All right, fellas, it is that time of the day. Apologies for no intro. Kind of was running a little late to the ramp this morning, but we've made it. We are at Green River. We're back in the Bass Addict series for the day, and we're gonna see if we can catch some good ones today, hopefully. Everything in here I do believe is a 12-inch size limit, so I'll be treating it accordingly to that. But we're gonna get situated here and start making the first couple casts and see what we can do. Well guys, we're off to a swimming start here. I put the trolling motor down and recorded my little intro there, and then picked my Damiki rig up and got a broken eye on the rod just from the ride, which is wonderful. So I'm tying a Damiki on another rod. Shout out to Cody for letting me borrow this one. Also, while we're on the subject of borrowing things, obviously I'm not in my boat. And if you've tuned into the last video, I have a broken trolling motor and no way to get it replaced quickly because apparently the warranty with Minn Kota is null and void. So this is my dad's boat, and this is what you'll see for the upcoming future, but we'll make it work. The water is incredibly high, guys. It's about 7 foot high. So we're gonna run into trying to just find some fish first, try to find a water column that they're in or something. So I've definitely never fished this lake anywhere near the pool it is at right now. But I'm starting with a Damiki, just confidence bait, and like I said, 12-inch size limited. It's not super hard to hit that, but get a couple confidence bites in the boat would be beneficial for sure. Here's a little raccoon, little baby. He's in between the rock right there, right in front of where I casted. See his little face right in between that rock split. You can kind of see his fur. You can see his little hands moving. He's messing with that tree that's moving right there. He's digging in the rock, trying to find something to eat. He's little though. You'll see him good here in a second. See him? He's just looking for a snack. There's a buzzard right there. Well, there's wildlife on this bank, just not the kind I'm looking for. He's little. First fish though. He ain't gonna do it. He broke my line. Well, calm down, little buddy. Little spot. First one of the day though. See, bud. Well, he came off in the boat. Well, guys, you gotta start somewhere, and we can pretty much only go up from there. I see a big mark out here. So I'm gonna pitch out to it. But like I said, we can only go up from that little one. I'll take it though. Something to start on. We'll fish a little bit more of this, and then I'm probably gonna jump over and fish some of this while it's still cool. See if they're up on the flats. Also haven't stayed there yet, guys, but the water temp is about 72, so it's definitely already made its full swing into post spawn here, probably. I mean, there could be some stragglers on beds, but most of your bass in here are gonna be post spawn at this point, so. Not feeling it. All right, let's move real quick. We ain't jumping far, guys. All right, guys, made a move, not far. We switched over to this flat side of the lake here. I'm gonna get us a little closer to the bank, but I am seeing some bait out here. Actually, I'm gonna just chuck an A-rig until I get up closer, I think. This water being this high has thrown every idea I had out the window, so. Now it's just fish for 6 hours and hope I come up with 3. It's a largie. No, it's a smallie. Oh, wow. Was not expecting to catch a smallmouth today. He's little, but fish number 2. If I tape those 2 together, I might have a keeper. All right, fellas, spot number 3. Nothing of merit so far. I just went back to a bluff wall, not really feeling the flat. I have caught fish off this before, so here's hoping we can replicate and catch some today. I think it's gonna be pretty tough, I ain't gonna lie. I mean, I know somebody will come in with a good bag. That's just inevitable, but I think it's gonna fish pretty tough with it being this high today. Too small. Too small. Where is your mama? Actually, just where's your older brother right now? See, buddy. 3 fish, guys, but literally, I think you'd have to tape all 3 of them together to make a 12-incher, so we're not hitting on much. We're gonna keep trying, though. Alrighty, let's make a run. Alright, guys. Spot number 4, I think. It's gonna be one of those days where I jump around a lot, it seems to be. There's not much happening. We're gonna keep trying to catch them, but it's boding to be kind of difficult right now, so keep trying. Oh, that was a better fish. There's one. Hey, another dinky. Dinky winky. I wish this was a 4-inch competition. It's a big crappie. Little. He hit it twice. That's fine. Another 6-inch smallmouth. Kind of glad he got off, to be honest. All right, guys. Well, we got one. He ain't much to show for, but I'm tickled to have him right now. Been pretty bad. Really bad, actually. For some reason, these things always hold fish. I don't know why. All it is vertical concrete. Last time we were here, I think I caught 4 off this thing. Of course, they weren't pulling water through it like they are right now. No! Spit it. I just had a good one. Probably, he's probably a little bit bigger than that one I just caught.
Did you have that? Were you pulling it?
Yeah.
I didn't hear it.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
You're fine. It wouldn't.
I'm so sorry.
No, I had him hooked for like 2 seconds, baby. Like he bit it right here. I promise you. There ain't a single thing we could have done to catch him. He's little. Calm down, Chubby. Another one. I finally found some fish, guys. Believe it or not, they exist. Well, we just went from 50 points to like at least 95 because of that one little fish. I'm gonna go around it one more time. Oh, there's one. Nope. Man. All babies. And they're squirmy too. I think that's like fish number 7. I don't know. Man, you think one of them would be a 12. They're all over the thing. Well, guys, apologies. I just missed a fish catch because the battery decided to dislodge itself from the GoPro. But second biggest one of the day, I think he went 11 inches. But it was the first largemouth of the day, so. I would love it if we could just fill out a limit of 12 inches here. That would be wonderful. All right, fellas, we finally hit on a little something there. I mean, it wasn't like super impressive, but hey, we caught some fish. Obviously they were all little. Even the one keeper we landed. Lost one that was a little better, but we still got 2.5 hours, so see if we can make it happen. Last time we were here, like, we literally watched a plane land on the water. There's one. Good. God! Oh, that's a 3-pounder. Well, guys, I know y'all didn't see it. That was probably a 3 to 4 pounder. And he just decided that he didn't want to be caught. So, yay. I don't know where to go. I don't think there's any fish in the lake. All right, guys, probably the last spot of the day. We're gonna try to salvage the last hour of the day and hope we come across one. Pitiful. I think it's a bass. I think it's a drum. Yeah. Huh? It's neat, I guess. Something. What's up, buddy? See you later. How much y'all have?
298.
Got me. I would have had you if I could land one.
Probably had 163. That's it. Huh. I'm not like some of these other pros here.
I didn't realize there was only 6 inches in this lake.
I wouldn't know. I couldn't even catch those. I ain't caught a fish all year. He's done all the work. 284.
I'll take my extra point. I just got a little squeak.
Dylan's big.
It ain't much.
More than I got, man. I lost one.
I jumped 2 off on an A-rig. Never lost a fish on an A-rig in my life.
111. He's always first.
Unfortunately.
111, Travis.
I'm surprised he goes 111. I'll take it.
111.
That's 5.
Yep, see what he weighs.
Ringer. Over here.
What everybody got. It's tough on everybody. But Dwayne apparently.
445.
Still got more.
Yeah.
That's 10 right there. Close.
1080. All 5.
Throw it in there and just see what they are all together. If you don't mind.
You can have my 111 if you want. Glad somebody caught some. Show us they exist at least. Good bag, Dwayne.
Good spot.
Yeah, he's not bad. I lost one about the same size on an A-rig and then jumped off a big one.
Most spots we were caught were like, hey, big.
That's every fish I caught except for this one was like 6 to 8. I lost 2 on A-rig. That was it. It was bad. Tough day. Not gonna lie to you, there's a grinder out here. Pretty ridiculous how hard it was to even just get bit, and then to try to find a quality was sheerly impossible. But I guess we'll take our one spot and we'll call it a day. Here she goes. All right, fellas. Firstly, introductions are in order. This is Ollie. I don't think we've ever actually introduced him, but this is our newest member of our family. He's a sweet little thing sometimes, but he's being a little.
See some birds.
Yeah, he likes birds, and well, we got a little barn swallow nest right about here. So he's getting a little rambunctious, but we're gonna make it short and sweet. It's a really bad day. Not gonna try to sugarcoat it, but there was a lot of variables, and everybody struggled. Thankfully, you know, like shout out to the people that did catch fish. I'm glad they did because it was tough. We didn't get many bites, and the ones we did were mostly small, but Lake was up 7 foot. They were pulling it severely. I'm just glad that we were able to weigh in one fish for points. But I guess other than that, we'll catch y'all on the next one. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you.